Guru Dutt, the maestro of Indian cinema. Guru Dutt, an iconic figure in Indian cinema, is celebrated for his exceptional contributions as a director, producer, and actor. Known for his poetic storytelling, innovative filmmaking techniques, and deep emotional resonance, Dutt's films have left an indelible mark on Indian and world cinema. His works, such as Pyasa, Kagaz Ke Phool, and Sahib Bibi Aur Gulam, continue to be revered for their artistic brilliance and poignant social commentary. Early life and background. Guru Dutt was born as Vasant Kumar Shivshankar Padukone on July 9, 1925, in Bangalore, Karnataka. He hailed from a Saraswat Brahmin family and spent his early years in various cities, including Kolkata, where his family settled for some time. Dutt showed an early interest in the performing arts, which was nurtured through his education at the Uday Shankar India Culture Centre in Almora, where he received training in dance and choreography. Early career. Dutt's entry into the film industry began with a job at Prabhat Film Company in Pune, where he worked as a choreographer and later as an assistant director. It was here that he forged important connections, including a friendship with actor Dev Anand, which would prove pivotal in his career. Dutt's first break as a director came with the film Baazi, 1951, produced by Dev Anand's Navketan Films. The film's success established Dutt as a talented director with a unique vision. Directorial style and themes. Guru Dutt's directorial style is characterized by its lyrical quality, innovative use of light and shadow, and deep emotional depth. His films often explore themes of unrequited love, social injustice, and the struggles of the individual against societal norms. Dutt's storytelling was marked by a blend of realism and romanticism, creating a distinct cinematic language that resonated with audiences. 8. Innovative cinematography. Dutt's collaboration with cinematographer V.K. Murthy resulted in groundbreaking visual techniques, such as the use of low-key lighting and intricate camera movements. Films like Kagaz Ke Phool featured pioneering use of lighting to convey mood and emotion, influencing generations of filmmakers. Though music and lyrics. Music played a crucial role in Dutt's films, with songs seamlessly integrated into the narrative. His collaboration with music director S.D. Burman and lyricist Sahir Ludhianvi produced timeless melodies that enhanced the emotional impact of his stories. Songs like Ye Duniya Agar Mil Bhi Jaye from Pyasa and Waqt Ne Kiya Kya Haseen Sitam from Kagaz Ke Phool remain classics. 3. Complex characters. Dutt's films featured well-developed characters, often reflecting his own introspections and struggles. His protagonists, portrayed with depth and nuance, resonated with audiences for their authenticity and relatability. Dutt himself often played the lead roles, bringing an added layer of personal connection to his films. Guru Dutt's filmography includes several masterpieces that have become benchmarks of Indian cinema. Each of these films showcases his mastery of the medium and his ability to weave compelling narratives. 8. Pyasa, 1957. Pyasa, considered one of Dutt's finest works, tells the story of a struggling poet, Vijay, who is disillusioned by a materialistic society that fails to appreciate his art. The film's poignant portrayal of love, despair, and the quest for meaning struck a chord with audiences and critics alike. Pyasa is often included in lists of the greatest films of all time. Though Kagaz Ke Phool, 1959, Kagaz Ke Phool is a semi-autobiographical film that explores the rise and fall of a film director. Though it was not commercially successful upon release, the film has gained critical acclaim over the years for its innovative narrative and technical brilliance. It is widely regarded as a classic and a significant work in Dutt's oeuvre. 3. Sahib Bibi Aur Gulam, 1962, based on a Bengali novel by Bimal Mitra, Sahib Bibi Aur Gulam delves into the lives of a feudal landlord, his neglected wife, and a loyal servant. The film's exploration of the decline of aristocracy and the plight of women in a patriarchal society was both poignant and powerful. Meena Kumari's portrayal of Choti Bahu is particularly memorable. Personal life and struggles. Guru Dutt's personal life was marked by intense highs and lows. He married playback singer Geeta Dutt, and the couple had 3 children. However, their marriage faced many challenges, partly due to Dutt's close professional relationship with actress Wahida Rehman. These personal struggles, combined with the pressures of his career, took a toll on his mental health. Untimely demise. Guru Dutt's life was tragically cut short when he died on October 10, 1964, at the age of 39. His death, ruled as a suicide, left the film industry and his fans in deep shock. Despite his relatively short life, Dutt's impact on Indian cinema was profound and far-reaching. Legacy. Guru Dutt's legacy endures through his films, which continue to inspire filmmakers and cinephiles around the world. His innovative techniques, deep emotional storytelling, and exploration of complex themes have made him a revered figure in cinematic history. Retrospectives of his work are regularly held, and his films are studied in film schools as exemplary models of artistic excellence. Guru Dutt's contributions to Indian cinema are unparalleled. As a director, producer, and actor, he crafted films that were rich in artistic vision and emotional depth. His exploration of human emotions, societal issues, and personal struggles through cinema has left a lasting legacy that continues to captivate and inspire. Guru Dutt remains a monumental figure in the annals of Indian and world cinema, his work a testament to the power of film as an art form.